Okay, it's always good to know where the formulas you're using come from. So let's look at where the integration by parts formula comes from. So let's start out with let u and v be functions of x. All right, so now let's take the derivative of u times v. Now if you do that, you got to use the product rule, and you get u times derivative of v. Now I'm going to use the Leibniz notation here. U times derivative of v with respect to x plus v times derivative of u with respect to x. All right. So now what I want to do is I want to integrate both sides with respect to x. Let me move this over. So integrate both sides with respect to x. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to integrate all of these with respect to x. So, like that. Getting a little messy, but not too bad. Okay, this piece here, you're taking the derivative, then you're taking the integral. So what you've got is you're just getting uv back. Let me write that a little nicer. All right, on this one here, the dx's, it's like they cancel with each other, and you're left with integral of u dv. And on this one, the dx's cancel, and you're left with integral of v du. All right, so that's almost the formula that we have. Instead, I'm going to, instead of leaving it like this, let's solve it out. U dv, let's solve for this guy. We'll just take the, we'll subtract this off of both sides, and you'll get u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. And that's the formula we use for integration by parts.